We're going to draft this pattern today. So I've got my plain paper and our guideline already drawn. With our compass, we will take a measurement of 2.3 and draw a circle on the plain paper. Now our circle is drawn, making sure that the tip is on the line. We will take a measurement of 2.3 centimeter, or just divide the circle into two and draw a line inside the circle like so. So now we are going to take another measurement of 2.3 centimeter downward, that's the tip of the circle now, and extend the line both the back side and also the front side. And we're going to draw another line here. It's not going to be a long line anyway, just connect it to some extent beyond the circle. So now what we're going to do next is from the tip of from the center of the circle, we will take a measurement of 0.5 centimeter this way and also this way 0.5 centimeter. We'll be using this to curve our S shape. Now from this tip inward, we're going to take a measurement of 1.7 centimeter like so. So now we will connect our first two 0.5 centimeter, curving it that way, and also bringing this other side down, trying to form an S shape. Okay, so now after this, the front part of this line, we are going to take a measurement of 1.3 and also curve it. So now if you look at it, you see that we have a kind of half S shape. Now from the middle line we drew earlier, we are going to take a measurement of 2.3 centimeter upwards and also extend it this way. So with our ruler, we're going to connect it from the tip of the circle, extend the line. This one is going to be long because it's our lasting strap. So we are going to cut this out, but first I'm going to write out all the measurements so that you see it properly. So now this is what we cut. Looking closely, you see all the measurements written out. So what we're going to do next is using another plain paper and draw a guideline. Then place the pattern, the tip of it, making sure it aligns with the line, and trace it out like so. All you have to do is turn it round and trace it out again like this, making sure that the line also aligns with the first one you drew. So when we are done with this tracing, we will now fine-tune the lines. Just make sure that everything is straight and even. So our pattern is ready. We will cut it out. So here we have our S already cut out. So now the one of the strap will be longer than the other. That's the back side should be longer than the front side. Make sure that the back side is long enough that it can last the footwear. So we're going to use this to cut our leather and we will interlock it. So just look at how I'm going to interlock the two together. If you look closely, you see the back side of the strap is bigger than the front side. So this is how it is. We have interlocked the two. Okay, so go ahead and copy your footwear with this. You are free to sew it after cutting it, but mine, I'm just going to last it like this. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you do, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, share and comment. Any question, drop it in the comment section and I'll be glad to answer the question.